Welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Yangwang U8L, one of the most powerful and technologically advanced luxury SUVs ever built in China. This vehicle isn't just about comfort and prestige, it's about raw strength, extreme engineering, and off-road dominance. If you love powerful vehicles and next-generation automotive technology, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. The Yangwang U8L is the extended luxury version of the Yangwang U8, developed by BYD under its premium Yangwang brand. It uses a range-extended hybrid system that combines a gasoline engine with 4 independent electric motors. Each wheel has its own motor, allowing precise torque control and unbelievable traction in all driving conditions. This SUV produces over 1,000 horsepower and delivers massive torque instantly. Despite its large size and weight, it can accelerate like a performance car while still maintaining the comfort of a high-end luxury SUV. The driving experience is smooth, powerful, and incredibly stable. One of the most shocking demonstrations of the Yangwang U8L's strength is the famous palm tree drop test. In this extreme test, a heavy palm tree is dropped directly onto the roof of the vehicle multiple times. This is not a standard safety test. It is a brutal real-world stress demonstration designed to show structural strength. After the impacts, the body remains intact, the doors still open, and the vehicle is able to drive away. This test highlights the SUV's reinforced body-on-frame construction and its ability to protect occupants in extreme situations. The Yangwang U8L is also built for serious work and heavy pulling. With its massive torque output and advanced drivetrain, it is designed to handle demanding trailer and towing situations. While official towing numbers are still limited, the powertrain and chassis clearly show that this SUV is made for more than just city driving. It's built to pull, carry, and conquer tough terrain with confidence. Off-road capability is where the Yangwang U8L truly stands out. Thanks to its quad-motor setup, the vehicle can send power to each wheel independently. This allows it to climb steep hills, crawl over rocks, drive through sand, and maintain control where traditional SUVs struggle. It also features advanced suspension systems that adapt to the terrain in real time. One of its most unique features is its emergency water capability. In flood situations, the vehicle can temporarily float and move through deep water, giving drivers a potential escape option in extreme conditions. Combined with features like tank turns and intelligent traction control, the U8L proves it's not just luxury, it's survival-ready engineering. Inside, the Yangwang U8L offers a spacious and refined cabin with premium materials, large digital displays, and advanced driver assistance technology. It blends futuristic design with comfort, making it suitable for both adventure and executive travel. The Yangwang U8L is more than just a luxury SUV. It is a statement of what modern Chinese automotive engineering can achieve. Extreme power, extreme durability, and extreme capability all come together in one vehicle. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what vehicle or extreme test you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.